Check it out. Line it up. Snap that edge. Yeah. Glow it up. Yeah. Got my fabric on the table. Got a wild little dream in my head. These colors going crazy.
Hi guys, so today we are going to use the Kimberbell pop rulers for the first time. I'm super excited about it because I just got these and I want to use them because I'm doing my Quilty Little Christmas project, and we found that we really needed these in order to square things up and get everything right on them. So I can't wait. So we're going to open this. Oh, here we go. These are the pop rulers, orange pop rulers, and we got different sizes. So, and I am opening them up with you. Look at that. Looks like we got some grippies. Some little 3M grippies here. Figure out that later. We don't need this one. Nope, we need this one. Alright, so let's square it up. Clean off our picture. Let's see. Let us square it up, clean it off, and I have it lined up here. The benefit of the pop rulers is a couple things. So one, it's going to give you the perfect square. Two, you have these little edges here where you can actually take and roll your blade in through it. So here we go. I'm going to take our ruler. Hold on. Go straight up. Straight over. Now what I didn't do, let's go on that side. Okay. Almost did it. It was me. Definitely not the ruler. But look at that. Now that's nice. And it's cool and straight. Like literally, that's perfect. So there you go. Orange Pop rulers. If you haven't decided to get you some, you should. And we have different sizes. But yes, it's the Orange Pop ruler. You got 4.5, 6.5, and 8.5 inch blocks. So there you are, Orange Pop ruler. Worked with my Quilty Little Christmas. Perfect.
Check it out. Line it up. Snap that edge. Yeah. Glow it up. Yeah. Got my fabric on the table. Got a wild little dream in my head. These colors going crazy. Gotta keep every cut on trend. See that orange on the surface, like a highlighter saying start here. Beginner pro, same purpose. Confidence cutting through fear. Why I love these rulers.